Welcome to We Never Walk Alone, the nationwide peer support and mental health professional network for law enforcement. We hope that you will take the time to check out the other tutorial videos in our We Never Walk Alone, Stronger Together video series. In this tutorial, we will be presenting the Peer Support Coordinator Hub. As the spokes of a wheel unite at the hub, so we have created this Coordinators Hub so that our member peer team leaders can come together, unite, and be stronger together. The Peer Support Coordinator could be someone different in each department. It might be the designated lead of the peer support team, or a member of the command staff, a police administrative assistant, the department social worker, or police counselor, whomever the department designates. In order to access the list of other peer support coordinators, the coordinator will need to use the website. They cannot use the mobile app for this feature. Only peer supporters and program administrators will be able to see the coordinator details. This hub could be a way to help coordinate plans for combined refresher or advanced training courses for peer supporters, to put together a crisis team in cases of mass shootings, riots, or things of that scale, or however else you see fit to use it. It's just another tool in your toolbox. The credentials to sign into the website are the same as that of the mobile application: your department email address and previously created password. If you have forgotten your password, please check out the Set, Reset, Forgot Password video in the We Never Walk Alone Stronger Together video tutorial series, or simply click the Forgot Password link and follow the steps as directed. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. On the left side of this new screen, you will notice the tab labeled Peer Support Coordinators. Click there. Peer support coordinators and/or the agency administrators are listed here to enable tighter coordination and collaboration between member departments. The coordinators and administrators' entries will include their names, department, telephone number, and email address. For quick reference, you may easily search them by name or email. The Coordinators Hub has a number of benefits. It provides a means of quickly marshaling a crisis or debriefing team in time of emergency. It provides a way to coordinate training opportunities amongst our members. And thirdly, it provides a means of readily sharing relevant peer support information. Use the hub however you see fit. The opportunities are endless. This is just another way that we hope to facilitate collaboration between member departments so that truly we never walk alone.